Hi everybody, this is a short video to show you how to copy the common modules for LEADERS 371. So these are the two modules that we use for general education assessment that are same in all sections. So first, go to the LDRS 371 Faculty Teaching Resources Canvas shell. So there are several Faculty 371 Canvas classes. So go to the one that says Faculty Teaching Resources, and then go into Modules, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom. So go past week 16, week 15, and you will see two different modules for general education. One is ethical decision making, and one is quantitative literacy and intercultural competence. So you're going to want to copy both of those into your course shell. So come up here at the top, see the three dots, and we're going to copy two. Then you're going to find your specific course, and I don't have yours. So I'm going to pick a random class that I used to teach long ago. So I'm going to import this module into BADM 371 online. Okay, so that was pretty easy. So I'm going to copy, then I'm going to come over to the dashboard. And so again, you would be putting it into your own Canvas shell, or your own two Canvas shells if you have them. And so I think that this class is actually hidden. So hold on a minute and let me get it out. Okay, so now I have it in my list of classes. So this is what I copied it to, BADM 371 online. I'm going to go into the modules and hope that it's there. So put it all the way down. There it is. Ethical decision making and leadership. So you're going to want to do that with the ethics assignment and also with the quantitative analysis and cultural competence assignment.